Good morning, student. So, today in the admission chapter, we are going to study WCR. WCR means Workmen Compensation Reserve. My dear student, this reserve, this reserve is a part of liability. Okay. So, whatever the reserve created out of profit at the time of admission of any partner, in this question, M is new partner going to take admission 1/4 share. So it is a situation of admission. So WCR is present in the liability, that is 90,000 rupees. What does mean that if there is a WCR present at the time of admission of a new partner, it means it is going to distribute among the old partner. The old partners are X, Y and Z. Okay. So whatever the reserve present in the balance sheet at the time of admission of M or any partner, that is going to be distributed among the old partner in the old profit sharing ratio. My dear student, but if there is a situation, case 1, case 2, case 3 is appear, so it might be some changes. You have to see first case that when there is no information, it means there is no information regarding 90,000 rupees. It means the total amount of 90,000 is going to be distributed among the X, Y and Z in old profit sharing ratio, that is 4:3:2. Okay? But let's see how to solve in the journal entry. The first case 1 journal entry. My dear student, which write short WCR account debited, that is for 90,000. Okay. To X capital account, to X capital account, to Y's capital account, to Z's capital account. Okay. So whatever the distribution, you write the narration WCR distributed among old partner in old ratio, that is 4:3:2. Okay, 4:3:2 means you are going to distribute 4:3:2. So X obtained 90,000. X obtained 90,000 multiply 4/10, that is 40,000. Okay. That is 40,000, 439. That is 9 here. 439. That is 40,000. The second one got 30,000 and 20,000. My dear student, when there is no claim, no claim means there is no adjustment regarding any WCR. In the question, you have to directly distribute WCR among the old partner in old ratio. Okay, let's take case number 2. In case number 2, what happened? Case number 2, what is happening? The total WCR is 90,000. Okay. Out of 90,000, one claim arises. It means there is a payment from the WCR. So you have to write provision for WCR. Okay. You have to write to provision for WCR, that is 45,000. Okay. What happened? Other 45,000. The balance left 45,000. That is going to be distributed X capital account to Y's capital account. Okay. And to Z's capital account. Okay. So whatever the balance, it is going to be distributed. The 50% is going to be distributed. So 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000. This is the treatment of case number 2, because in the case number 2 you observe there is a payment of 45,000 rupees from out of 90,000. It means the balance left after 45,000, that is going to be distributed among the old partner in old profit sharing ratio. Okay, let's take case number 3. My dear student, in case number 3 you observe that 99,000 is payment, but you have only 90,000 rupees. What does mean? It means you make payment more than WCR, that is 9,000. It means your payment is more than 9,000. So in this situation, what we'll observe? It is a situation, it is going to through the profit and loss adjustment account, or you can say that revaluation account. Come, how to solve? Just do case number 3. I am going to solve here. Okay, case number 3 I am going to solve here. WCR account debited 90,000. Okay, 9,000 is going to be obtained from revaluation account. Okay, 9,000 and to provision for WCR, how much? To provision for WCR, how much? That is total amount of payment, that is 99,000. So my dear student, it is a case of loss. It is a case of loss, that is 99,000 is going to be adjusted from revaluation account. So what will happen? This 9,000 is, it is a case of loss. So next entry you have to pass in the revaluation account that X, Y and Z. I am going to erase this one. Case number 3, revaluation account debited to X capital account, to Y's capital account, to Z's capital account. 9,000, 9,000. So you are going to distribute this 9,000 among the 9,000 among the partner, because it is a part of loss. It means partner's capital account will be going to debit. Okay, to revaluation account. So total 9,000. This 9,000 is going to be simply distributed in the old ratio. So what is the value? 4,000, 3,000 and 2,000. This is the debit portion. My dear student, once you have to check Workman compensation reserve, there may be three cases arise in your question. The first case, that there is no information regarding WCR. It means you are going to distribute this 90,000 in old profit sharing ratio. Case number 2, when WCR is going to pay, but payment is less than amount of, that is 90,000. So you make the payment this way, 90,000. Out of 90,000 you paid 45,000 rupees, and that 45,000 is going to distribute among the old partner. You can also say that 45,000 is going to be credited in old profit sharing ratio in X, Y and Z. Okay. In case number 3, when WCR payment is more than WCR reserve in the balance sheet appears, so it is a case of loss. You make the, because in this situation firm paid more than WCR, how much? 90,000. This 99,000. This 9,000 is going to be collected from revaluation account. You have already studied what is the meaning of revaluation account. So 9,000 is going to be distributed as a loss, and loss is going to be distributed in old profit sharing ratio, X capital, Y capital, Z capital, 4,000, 3,000 and 2,000 respectively. So in summarize, you can also say that there may be a 3 case when there is no information, when WCR payment is less, when WCR payment is more, less than, more than and no information. So in this question you have to see X, Y and Z are 3 partners whose profit sharing is 432. They decided to take part M as a new partner, 1/4 share with effect from the 1st April 2019 and extract of their balance sheet 2019. So what does this mean? That you, in this question I already take 3 cases, but in the question it doesn't mean that you have a 3 cases, at least 1 cases will be come to your question. Okay my dear student, thank you.